navigation. Calculating routes.
Please proceed to the highlighted route, then the route guidance will start.
Alright. Well, hello. One sec, let me get out of this gas station. Alright. So you're probably like, who the hell is this guy? Why is he making videos? And he looks like he has no life.
Proceed about 1 mile to Dallas Parkway.
Alright. And you're probably not wrong. I don't have a life. College students and having no life. Well, my name is Albert, and this is probably my first video. At least that will be up on this channel when it's out. I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing. I probably won't know what the fuck I'm doing. But hey, maybe I'll have some interesting videos. Maybe. I don't know. And partially I'm just testing out how the mounting system works and everything. So, I don't know if my back camera's getting anything, because, well, rain. The front camera should capture some things. Don't know.
In a quarter of a mile,
and then
right
there's that camera for me.
Dallas Parkway.
Looks like it's vibrating a lot. You tell me if it is, and see if I can fix that in the future. For those of you who are into cars, which I am, I drive a 2014 Lexus IS 250. Not the S one, just the regular one. I like it. It's not super fast, but
onto the freeway entrance
does its job.
Toll booth ahead.
I do autocross it and some other things, but besides that, not too much. I did mod this, the katana handle, if anyone wants me to do a tutorial on how to install things on the 3rd Gen IS. I can do that. It's not hard. Just, I don't really see that many videos about it out there, if any. I also have another mod, iPhone charger, for those of you who have iPhones. And green light anytime soon? Yes? No? Today? Tomorrow? Today! I hate waiting, in case you can't have figured out. If you guys want a car tour, I can give y'all a car tour. Just let me know in the comments section. I will be reading those a lot.
Toll booth ahead.
I sometimes really hate this navigation system. It likes to tell me that there's a toll
Proceed about
booth.
4 miles
I don't really care
on the current freeway.
Toll booth. I just want to get onto the highway. Highway is good. I don't really care that there's a toll booth. And yes, for those of you who are driving, do use blinkers. They are very useful. Don't know if you know what those are, but you know, some people don't. Go figure. Oh, hello. That's blurry. Alright. Left lane. Oh, yes. I like the left lane. It's generally consistent. I don't have to deal with people coming on and off the highway all the time. Let me know if you guys want like a different camera location, because it seems like the front camera isn't really getting much of the right side, but I don't know. I'll take a look when I edit it. Let me know if you guys want different camera locations. I don't think the back camera is really getting much right now because, well, rain. Can't clear the rain from the back, unfortunately. Sad face. Anyways, what will I actually be doing on this channel? I have no clue. I actually have no idea. There you go. Standard guy with no life. Don't worry, I'll post things. I'm trying to figure out a schedule, but you know, college schedule uploads doesn't really go well. Probably just show you guys interesting things I do, things about the car community.
In 1 mile, toll booth ahead.
Fuck you, toll booth. I have a toll tag. Oh, for those of you who don't know, I have a very old one of those Velcro toll tag things. For those of you who are in Dallas, at least, we use toll tags. I don't know what you guys use in other places, but that's what we use here. And I have one from like 15 years ago. It was on my old car, which I bought from my dad.
Toll booth ahead.
And I crashed my old car and I moved it to this car, so yeah.
Freeway.
I already know how to get to my college. I just have it on just in case, you know, it decides to take me on a detour. It's done that before. It's very strange. Oh, and it always insists on going on one route, even when I've taken a separate route. And it's very annoying. Lexus navigation, please fix this. Please. For those of you who are in the car, you're probably like, what modifications do you want to do to your car? What do you really want to do with it? What's your vision for like 5 years down the road? I don't have a clue. Well, I sort of do, but I don't really know at least how it's going to happen. If you guys really want a detailed list on parts I want to get that I can't afford, like usual college students, I can do that at some point. But we'll see about that. And for those of you who don't know, this is Dallas. There's always construction. It's ridiculous. Like, oh yes, here's the route you're using. Yes, let's do all the construction. Everyone moves to a different route. Alright, let's move construction to where they're using that route now. I don't understand. But you know, maybe if they could actually finish the construction at one place before moving on to the next, or at least finishing it ever, it would be great. Like, there's this one place near my school. It's been under construction since I was like in 3rd grade, 1st grade, something like that. It's still going on. It's sort of finished, but it's sort of not. Can't do anything about that. Oh, wow. Traffic. Oh no, that's just the right lane. Everybody wants to get off the highway now. Don't know why. But when did I get this car? I got this car in January. What car did I have before this? I had a 1997 Lexus LS400 Coach Edition. For those who don't know, there's a lot of the leather pieces inside the cabin is actually supplied by Coach, the same company that makes all those purses. And there's only 2,500 of them in the world. I crashed them. They didn't total it because the car was undrivable. They totaled it because the body damage was too damn high. It was still drivable, no broken axles or anything. The body damage cost a ridiculous amount of money. There's a little chrome trim piece that goes around the outside of the car. That was like $800 for that. And I'm just like, it's chrome and a tiny piece of metal. How does it cost $800? I don't know! I missed that car. Probably rolling around somewhere. I still have the VIN written down. I will get it back someday. That car was awesome. It was basically like trying to drive a Tempur-Pedic mattress across the road. You don't feel anything. You go over a bump, you sort of, you know, bounce up once, down once, and you stay still. It doesn't give you motion sickness every time you go over a bump. And I'm just like, okay, that's great. It handled well for what it was. And, well, at the time it came out, it was actually the best road trip car for like years. I can see why. It's a Tempur-Pedic mattress, very smooth, very reliable. Nothing ever rattled in the car. Nothing. Like, it's been in my family. It was in my family for a good 17, 18 years. Nothing happened to it. Like, only time something broke was at like first semester of my sophomore year, which was this past semester. The air conditioning broke. We replaced that for $2,200 or something because my dad didn't want to do it ourselves, and so we did it at a shop somewhere near my college. And well, that's not a reliability issue. That's an aging issue where something wears out because it's been used for so long that just wears out. Like, there's nothing that's going to prevent that. Nothing had ever broken before or anything. Like, the only time I'd ever been into a shop before that was maintenance. I hope everything's still recording, by the way. But yeah, I missed that car. Anyways, this car. It's a great car. I've had it for 2 months? Close? 1.5? Something like that. Just got my plates actually yesterday. Park Place Lexus, they do a great job. That's where I bought this car, and my dad's car was bought there too in 99. Yeah. I remember when he got that car too, but anyways, Park Place Lexus of Plano, they're great. I know the elite of Lexus dealerships thing is sort of, you know, an iffy thing because everybody will just for the sake of time probably just like check, okay, great service, unless
Continue
stupid shit happens.
freeway.
But you know, they actually do a great job. And I just go hang out there sometimes, so I know some of the people there. They're great fun to talk to. And well, yeah. This car, they don't make the IS 250 anymore. They have the 200T, 300T. I'm not sure on that one. And then they have the 350. And they have all the little F-Sport shenanigans here and there. Those, I'm not exactly sure what the F-Sport does. It adds like 2 driving modes. Don't actually know what those do exactly. I haven't driven those. So, can't say too much, but I've driven the 200T and there's a tiny bit of turbo lag. When the turbo is on, it is a little bit faster than this. But when it's not on, well, turbo lag. Because they're like, someday, today, tomorrow, maybe. But, I mean, it's not bad. It's just, when I step on it, I want to have my power. You know? I don't want to start in first gear with no boost. That being said, this car doesn't have much power. It's 200 at the crank. 200, 405, something like that. Not very much. So I'm getting maybe, I don't know, 150. Somewhere between 130 and like 170 horsepower to the wheels, rear wheels. So it's not that much horsepower, but it's fun, you know. I have fun at the autocross. And it's a nice car. Oh, one thing I love about this car is people are like, I have very nice car. And they show me, like, I'm like, cool. But do you have functional brake cooling ducts? This car does. Like, when this car first came out, everyone on the forums was like, what is this giant gaping hole next to the fog lights? And someone put a camera in there, and they're like, oh, it cools the brakes. And it's like, good job. So, I mean, if you really want to turn this into a performance car like I want to, you have the brake cooling ducts already. I'm not sure how effective they are, but it has them. I'm sure they do cool off the brakes quite a bit compared to not having them. That being said, I do want to upgrade my brakes because, well, at autocross, I'm like going to the corner, I'm braking, and I'm like, yeah, these brakes aren't like amazing. They do a great job on the street, but when I'm actually pushing the car, it does not much. I'd want more, you know? Generally, if people leave their lights on, I'll let them come into the lane. That guy flashed it once, saw me coming, and decided not to get in my lane. That's fine, you know. Here's my theory on what you should do in your lane and driving in general is never hesitate or be indecisive. Either go or don't, and make it clear. Like, nothing is worse on the road than being indecisive. Like, should I pass the guy? Should I not pass the guy? Should I let the guy in? There's nothing worse than that. Either let them in or pass them. Like, don't sort of be don't know. That's the worst. Same with like stop signs, with multi-way stops. Those can be very annoying. Like, I see that guy's sort of waving at me to pass, and then he goes, and I'm just like, okay, like, I don't care if you want me to go first or you to go first. Don't do both at the same time and make a decision. Which is why most of the time I make the decisions like, alright, I'm going, and I just go. You know? Because, you know, if I go, it's very clear to the other people that I'm going. I'm not sort of like inching forwards into the stop sign zone and stopping and then waving at them to go and then moving forward some more. And I'm just like, dude, make a decision. Go or don't go. Oh, this guy wants to come in. Let's let him in. Well, I guess the traffic doesn't want to, you know, match. Otherwise, I would let him in. Come on. This traffic sucks dick. Please, man. Sometimes sometimes I can't figure out if those people actually want to get into the lane, or I guess he wants to go the other direction. But yeah, can't figure out if they want to get into the lane, or they just forgot to turn their blinkers off. And I can't figure that out sometimes. It's really annoying. So I'm just there like leaving them space, and they don't ever come on.
I-30 East
Okay.
is on the left, and then I-30 East is on the left.
Okay. It's on the left. I got it. Oh. Oh, look, empty roads. I like this. I'm a big fan of empty roads with little traffic. Watch, I'm gonna come around. Oh, look, there's empty roads.
30 East is
I was
on
gonna
the
be like,
left, and
I swear, if I come around the corner and there's traffic,
straight
I will
ahead.
flip. If only a BMW 6 Series.
Exit 427A is on the
BMWs are
right,
an
and
interesting
then
species.
left turn.
They're a great vehicle to lease, but not necessarily buy. At least that's the way I've seen it and have felt based on what I've seen. Mercedes are
Proceed on
sort
the
of the
current
same.
freeway.
That's like long-term leasing. I don't know. BMW reliability has gone up recently. Well, as much as it can. I just don't really know exactly what BMW plans to do with everything. Some of their cars are like, I want to be a sports line, but it's not really. I want any of you giving me flack for Lexus. I know Lexus isn't the most sporty of cars, but hey, they made the Lexus LFA. And at least they tried. And they did make great cars. The RCF is, I mean, I don't know, that's like the BMW M6 of Lexus. The GSF is awesome. I want one of those, so if you guys want to donate me some money to go buy one, I'm just joking. Don't do that. That's stupid. If you're going to donate me $80,000 or like $90,000 to buy a Lexus, donate it somewhere where it's being used. Wow. Pass me. Hello. Blocked by the jack. Oh man. Like, I've used it. I've had this car for a month and a half. I think I've given it a fair enough time to get used to.
I-20 East is on the right.
No. But yeah. I mean, the mouse thing, it works. It does what it's supposed to do. I'm fine with it. I don't have anything against it. I mean, in some cases, it is certainly better than having a little scroll wheel to scroll through everything, because I can just go directly to that option, you know? I don't have to scroll for like 3 days in a month just to get to one option.
Proceed on I-20 East.
But at the same time, it's a bit finicky. I joked the other day that I'm pretty sure if you really tried, you could upload Minecraft onto here and play Minecraft with this setup. Like, I'm not joking. It's possible. And if Lexus, you want to sponsor me to do that, that'd be great. I can park in your dealership. Oh, hey, don't crash it.
16 is on the right.
Go! Yeah, if Lexus, you want to support me doing Minecraft in my Lexus thing, let me know. I will talk to you guys / your dealerships, and then we can maybe work out playing Minecraft in a Lexus and somewhere. Because that would be really hilarious.
Proceed about 9/10 of a mile to North Buckley Avenue.
No! This car is hilarious. It insists that I take one particular route, and for the next 10 miles, it will try to like reroute me and turn me around to go down that one route. It's hilarious and very annoying. Oh, yeah.
In a quarter of a mile, make a legal U-turn.
See? What the fuck?
Make a legal U-turn ahead.
No, I refuse. How about that? One thing I don't like about this car, cup holders. Like, I'm driving. Maybe it's not a problem for taller people. I think it is. I'm only 5'4", so I don't know. But, like, so I'm driving, right? I don't want to have to, like, contort myself and need an exorcism so I can grab this drink, you know? I mean, I don't really know where they, to be honest. In here? Here would be nice. I mean, there's nothing here. It's just a blank piece of metal. And on each side there's like heated and cooled seats. But like, in the middle here, it would be nice to have one cup holder. Just my thought. And for if the battery dies on any of these cameras, or I just don't have any more recording space for these cameras, and it just runs out, I'm still going, I'll cut the video and hopefully find a good place to chop, just so you guys know. So, yeah. I'm basically testing how long this can record for. And if this cuts out any times, hopefully you'll subscribe, like, comment, share. I'll see if I can put my social media in the description box. But, you know, if it cuts out, I'm just testing my cameras for seeing how long they can record, how much memory it actually has. So yeah, it's great. If you don't like the video, don't like it. Watch, I'm gonna switch to the other lane. Immediately there's gonna be like a place where I can go pee. Oh, I missed the exit. Fuck! Back. Whack. Quack. Back. Jack. I have no idea what I'm doing now. Rapping. The struggle is real. Even before I just pull off and pee on the sidewalk. Is this civilization? Please. Civilization. Oh look, theme park. That's not civilization! Damn it. up the one I'm looking for. Bam, yes it is. Oh,
Proceed about 4/10 of a mile to I-35 south.
out of the way, water puddles. Ow, ow. That's not fun. Alright. Oh, alright. There you go. Keep it. Alright, I'm gonna go pee. You guys can keep recording. Ugh.